So these things I have taught you with the help of, I mean, Pantab. These are the same thing. Okay. So point A. So here it is very important for you to get the location of point A. So in the first case, the point A is above HP and in front of VP. I'm not specifying any distance till now. I'm just saying it is just in front of VP and above HP. So you will get projection like this here. If you have any doubt, please let me know. The second case may be the point A is above SP and in the VP. Okay, it is located in the plane itself. It is in the plane, so projection will come just merely the same point, and then it will be on the reference line. Its projection will be on the reference XY line. Here you can see it is located at the reference line. So why I was telling you that this reference line is important, because it will let you know that the exact location, and later if you want to make a reverse engineering out of it, you will get the exact dimension and everything. And then third point may be point A in HP and in front of VP. So your point may be located itself in the horizontal plane, and then you will get the its projection. Front view you will get on the reference plane XY. Okay, so orthographic projection will look like this. Is it so? Any doubt? Do I need to explain it further, or you are getting class?
Yes, sir, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the drawing will look like this. When you will place these things in your drawing, now it will look like this. So I hope everyone having drafter and other accessories for drawing. Do you have it? No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
No,
sir.
No,
sir.
sir.
How you are
No,
making?
sir.
No.
Then how? Then how you will submit it? Because without a drafter, it is very difficult for you to get a straight line. Another thing, and that too with respect to your plane. So please see the utilization of drafter. I hope it has been covered in your introductory classes. That's why I'm not uh, um going to tell what is drafter and how it has been used. I hope it has been covered, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It is.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please, I mean, you have to use drafter only. Otherwise, with the help of single scale, you will not be able to draw your object with respect to your reference plane. Okay, projection of a straight line. So as I told you, with the help of point, you can get the straight line and you can get the plane. Is it so? So information reading a line means its length, position of its ends. So ends will be what? Ends of a line will be what? It will
Points.
be points.
Point.
Points.
And the shortest way of meeting those points will be a
Line.
Line.
Nine.
straight line, not line.
Straight.
Okay? It is the shortest way between these 2 points which will make a line to straight line. So aim will be to draw its projection means FB and TB. Simple cases of a line. First one may be the vertical line, a line perpendicular to HP or parallel to VP. Line parallel to both HP and VP, same case. Like it was for the point. Either it was located on HP or VP, or it will be located in between HP and VP. Okay. Point make some angle with HP and VP? Anyone?
No, sir.
No,
Very
sir.
good. but a line will make always. That's why there are some simple cases are outlined here. Okay. So line parallel to both HP and VP, line inclined to HP and parallel to VP, line inclined to VP and parallel to HP, line inclined to both HP and VP. These are some cases. I mean, you can extend some other cases as well. So study illustrations given in the next page showing clearly the nature of FV and TV, top view of lines listed above and noted results. So I'm asking a question here. So can you draw a line, projection of line with the help of points? Can you? I need answers. Can you? It will be like projection of 2 points. Okay. If you will
Yes, sir.
project 2 points, you will get lines.
Yes, sir.
Simple.
Yes, sir.
So for the line, just see and let me know. For first case, it is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. You will get what? It is front view. Front view will come on VP, and what will be the length? Length will be same or different?
Same.
Same.
Because it
Same.
is parallel. It is exactly parallel to VP. If it is not exactly parallel to VP, the length will be shortened. Okay, with some angle, because it will make some angle cos or sine. You will get projection only. And then what you will get on top view? Anyone?
Point.
Point.
A point.
Point.
Very good. So you will represent both single point with A, B. This you will say top view. So why we are not going for side view in point and lines? Because the side view will always, I mean, it is not needed in the case of point and line. It is not, I mean, you can represent it, but it is not needed. With the help of front view and top view, we can easily guess the location, right?
Yes, sir.
But in the case of 3D object, it is, even line itself is a 2D object. Okay, that's why we are not going for side view. But in case of 3D object, it is very important to take a side view. Otherwise, you will not get the clear picture of your object. So here in second case, a line parallel to HP and VP. Okay. So this line is parallel to HP and VP both. So you will get the same length in VP and HP. Is it so?
Yes. Yes, sir.
How
Yes,
you
sir.
will
Yes,
show,
sir.
how you will show the
Yes, sir.
orthographic projection here? Now you have to see the, this is a pictorial representation. Now you have to see the orthographic pattern. So in your drawing sheet, it will appear like this one. Actually, my pen is not working in the presentation mode. Okay. So here it will be like this. Huh? In your drawing sheet, this line will appear like this. So suppose you are having this drawing. So with the help of this drawing, one can easily say that it is parallel to VP but perpendicular to, if you are getting a single point on top view on HP, it means it is perpendicular to
Perpendicular to HP.
HP. Very good. And if you are getting two lines here like this, it means if you are getting
Parallel to
same line
both
above
planes.
and below,
Parallel to
Parallel to
both the
both.
planes.
parallel to both the plane.
Parallel.
Very good. Then third case may be a line inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Can you think out of it? Okay. So on where you will get the, same length on HP or VP?
VP.
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 On
VP.
HP, what you will get?
A shorter length.
Shorter line.
Because it is making some angle with HP. Huh? So
Yes, sir.
that will be AB cos theta or what?
A because
Theta.
AB cos theta.
Okay, just because of the projection, just because of the and this happen with our eyes as well. Huh? When you are near to any object, you will see the bigger picture. When you are far away from that object, you will see the shorter picture. Huh? So here projection will appear like this. Is it so difficult? Huh? Class?
No,
Is
sir.
it is easy, huh? So your orthographic projection will come out like this. So from just forget this part. Left hand side forget. From the orthographic projection, can you tell audience what is the location of AB and BP? Sorry, AB line. If it is making an angle with BP, it means it has kept some angle on HP, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I putting too much complication? No, because from the drawing itself you have to assume these things, huh? Right? From this drawing you have to assume this one. So you are able to get the location of this, I mean the original picture of this line just because of this reference plane. अगर ये reference plane नहीं होता, then you would have not been able to identify the location. Is it so? So what is the importance of XY line? Suppose there are two persons, A and B, and one person will be chota, one person will be bada. So how you will say chota and bada? How? You will compare with reference. एक को बड़े को रेफरेंस लोगे तो दूसरे को छोटा बोलोगे, छोटे को रेफरेंस लोगे तो एक को बड़ा बोलोगे. That's why you always need some reference point. So for that reference you use this reference line. Okay. Then fourth case is line inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Huh? It is making some angle with which plane? VP or HP?
VP.
VP.
Okay. And parallel to
SP.
HP.
वो दिख नहीं रहा होगा but it is. हाँ. वो शायद मतलब visually you are not able to identify it, but it is this parallel to HP. Then can you draw its projection without going ahead? Can you draw it? Can you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. I'm not asking you to draw it now because it will be very difficult for me to see everything. Top view will come on HP. It will make some angle, and then VP, on VP you will get a sorted line, and then your orthographic projection will appear like this. And then fifth case, a line inclined to both HP and VP, like this. It is also making some angle with HP and with some VP. So will you get the same line on VP and HP?
Both are shortened.
Both are shortened. Very good. So these are some trick. I mean, when you start with the lower topology, you will have to go to higher topology. So here you will just rotate it. You have to rotate this plane in clockwise direction. You will get this. Okay. So
Yes,
FB
sir.
is seen on VP clearly. To see TV clearly, HP is rotated 90 degree downwards, clockwise. Hence it's come below HP. So ये भी क्लियर है कि FB जो है XY के ऊपर बन रहा है. It means it is in first angle. It is a first angle projection. Okay. Orthographic projection means FB and TV of line AB are shown below with their apparent inclination alpha and beta. You have to see what is alpha and what is beta. So एक और illustration है. So beta जो होगा that will be angle making from VP or HP.
HP.
Okay. So ये difference देखते रहना. You have to visualize very clearly. Here TV is not parallel to XY line, hence its corresponding FB A dash B dash is not showing true length and true inclination with HP. Procedure, it is clear. When FB and TB known, how to find the true length? You have to find out true length. Okay? So true length, उसको सर ने बताया होगा. It has been taught ना? How you will get the true length? It has been taught na. Class, anyone? Is there any CR from the class? Class representative?
Yes, sir.
Who?
Sir, Amisha and Rakesh. Rakesh is not present, I guess.
Okay. Everyone put your attendance in the chat box. Amisha is there?
Yes, sir.
You are Amisha. Okay. So Amisha, is it taught to how to find true length? Suppose you have this line and then you want to find out the true value or true length. It has been taught, I think. स्केलिंग वगैरह सर ने पढ़ाया था, कुछ एंगल वगैरह लेके कुछ ड्रॉ कराया था.
Sir, I don't remember anything like that.
Okay. ठीक है. फिर वैसे it is not very difficult. You just try to get information about it. Dr. Bal, true value find out करना बताया गया था इनको. स्केलिंग वगैरह, स्केल वगैरह. Okay. ठीक है. You try with your own intelligence now. Huh? Is
Sir,
it so
can we
difficult?
use projection method?
Sorry. Yes,
like
you can
project-
use. Yeah, you
projection
can use
formula.
that. Yes, always you can use the projection formula. If you are having the either you will be needing the length of this curve or you will be needing the angle. You will get the true value. Okay. So when FV and TV known how to find true length, views are rotated to determine the true length and its inclination with HP and VP. So you try it. You take a snapshot of it, you try it. You just follow the step like this. So you will project this B1 like this, B1 dash and then AB dash. You will get the angle and the true length. In this case, TV is rotated and made parallel to XY line, hence its corresponding FB front view A dash B1 dash is showing true length and true inclination with HP. You get it? You get it? Okay, let's continue after lunch. I think the content is much now. So please put your attendance in the chat box. Let's meet at 2.